Okay, the last part of this lesson today is kind of putting it all together where we simplify and combine. So there are three examples here. We're going to work through them a little bit at a time. The first one says 2 parentheses 4 plus n plus 2n. So when I take a look at this and rewrite it, the first thing I see is I see some numbers inside the parentheses and some numbers outside the parentheses. So I know I have to distribute. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply 2 times 4, which gives me 8, 2 times 2n, which gives me 2n. Now the important thing here is this last term in the problem, this plus 2n that we started with over here, that was not inside the parentheses. So we don't multiply it, we just drop it straight down. Once we have it dropped down, you can see I went ahead and coded these. So 2n plus 2n gets combined together, and 8 is a constant. It stays on its own. So when we combine, we have 8 plus 4n. As we look at the one on the left, the first thing you should see is, okay, I have this 3 on the outside the parentheses, and I have these two terms inside. This minus 10a is out here on its own. So I'm not going to do 3 times 10a. The minus 10a will get dropped down. So your first step should look like this: 18m plus 24a minus 10a. Because 3 times 6m is 18m, 3 times 8a is 24a. Notice it was a plus sign, so I kept it a plus sign. And the minus 10a just got dropped straight down. Then I code this. I have some a's and some m's, so I'm going to combine those together. 18m, there's nothing else to put it with, stays 18m. 24a minus 10a is positive 14a. You can go ahead and try this last one on your own. Hey, when I look at this last one, it's a similar idea. This is where you kind of have to be adaptable and be able to figure out these things just by thinking them through. When I look at this problem, this is what's going to get distributed. The 3 is on the outside the parentheses, the 2a and the minus 4 on the inside. The first couple terms in this, these two terms right here, they have nothing to do with the parentheses and they're not getting distributed. So in this case, those two are getting dropped straight down. The 3a gets dropped down, the 25 gets dropped down, and then it's 3 times 2a is 6a, 3 times minus 4 is minus 12, and notice the sign stayed the same. Then I code them. I have a's, 3a and 6a, and I have constants, 25 minus 12. 3a plus 6a is 9a, 25 minus 12 is 13. Your assignment for today is bit.ly/grade6 day 3.